The display is clearly laid out and is intuitive to use. Let's take a look at the basics to get you off to a quick start. First, we'll show you how to find the operating modes. These are grouped in apps. As such, you'll find all operating modes that use hot air in the hot air app, for example. All of the other applications are also organized in this way. In the following step, we'll show you how to adjust the settings. After selecting the operating mode, you can adjust the temperature, duration, preheating options, etc. to your requirements. Simply tap on the setting and adjust it using the circle slider. This will then light up amber. Confirm with start and your appliance will begin to heat up. An alert sounds once the desired temperature has been reached. If you choose the preheating option, the appliance will heat up to the set temperature. Acknowledge once you've inserted your food to start the countdown you've set. We'll quickly show you a few more useful options. You can always access the function bar with just one tap. Use the timer as a separate function, independent of the cooking time. You can use it to remind you to place another dish with a shorter cooking time in the oven later on, for example, or to stir your homemade ice cream to serve with your pie. Being able to switch the light on and off at any time is also useful. The display lock is a useful function for when you clean the display. It helps you avoid accidentally changing settings. To unlock the display again, simply press the center of the circle slider for 3 seconds. Are you familiar with quiet mode? It sets all the tones to the lowest volume. This is especially useful if you like to bake early in the morning or late at night and don't want to wake up your loved ones. It's also handy to be able to see the clock at any time while the display is in operation. When the set cooking time has finished, you can extend the duration if necessary to perfect your dish. If needed, select one of the options and press OK. For appliances with top and bottom heat, you also have the option to bake base or gratinate.